a website that can help you to have new business opportunities and new learning opportunities. All right. Positively Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Disunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. Alright, so magandang Saturday night sa ating lahat. At ngayong gabi, special ang ating video na to. It's a very short video. I'll just be presenting a website that can help you to have new business opportunities and new learning opportunities. Alright? So, di ba sabi ko nga, ang success, nangyayari siya when you try to do new things. When you try to explore new opportunities sa buhay natin. Okay? And when you try to look for different avenues na pwede natin pagkuhanan ng new learnings and new opportunities, doon nagsisimula ang success. Okay? So, tonight, I'm going to give you a website. Yan. So, nandiyan ang link sa baba. Okay? So, ritavillarmarketing.com. Okay? So, i-click nyo lang po yan and makikita nyo kung ano yung mga business opportunities na nandyan. And you can also register for a webinar, and this is for free. Okay? Wala po kayong babayaran sa website. Wala din po kayong babayaran sa webinar, at wala din kayong babayaran for new learnings na makukuha natin. Okay? By the way, si Ma'am Rita Villar is a former instructor po from Our Lady of Fatima University sa, I think, Quezon City ata to. Okay? Former instructor po siya dyan from 2006 and 2018. So, ngayon nakabase sa ibang bansa. And nung po ay Ritalin Muhammad siya. Yan. Alright? Okay, so ulitin natin website, nandyan po siya, pa-click ang link sa baba, ritavillarmarketing.com, okay? Yan po ay run by Ma'am Rita Villar and her group, okay? So, it's a website, okay, that gives you new learnings, new business opportunity, and new chance na ma-attain natin ang ating success, okay? They are offering free webinar. Yan. So, mag-register lang po kayo. Okay? So, once again, Ma'am Rita Villarmarketing.com or ritavillarmarketing.com dyan sa baba for your new business opportunity po. Alright? So, please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin na gusto mo rin silang magkaroon ng new opportunities, new learnings para sa tinatawag natin success. Start your success now, di ba? Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, if you are doing the same thing every day for the next 5 years, you will have the same life, right? So, if you want to change your life, okay, so you have to learn new things, okay? Grab new opportunities na nandyan lang. And it's free, okay? ritavillarmarketing.com. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!